I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video. If you're new, I'm Sugar. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell. And today we're doing Tinashe Hair. They sent me over a nice 14-inch pre-plucked, pre-styled unit. As you can see, the hairline looks really nice and natural. The knots are not bleached, and I'm just going to be doing a really lazy girl install with this one. Sometimes you can get away with not bleaching the knots and still have a phenomenal install, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And you can see those curls are sitting in there real nice. So with this wig, you get a goodie bag. They gave me some lashes, some hairpins, an edge brush, 2 wig caps, a bonnet, and a Tinashe melt belt, and 2 clips. So really quickly with the wig construction, you see you get the 13x4. It has 3 combs in the top, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, a lace tab, and a glueless band. Okay, so now I'm about to prep the inside of my cap. I use this airbrush legs that I had over from a long time ago because I don't know what I did with my E-band spray. I do not suggest this spray because it has glitter in it. A long time ago, it didn't used to have glitter. So I only used it because I could not find my E-band. It works out, but if you just don't want the hassle, it's so much messier. You get glitter everywhere, child. Just don't do this. But I was just showing you guys because if you have it around and you know you like me, you can't find your E-band, then you can go ahead and pop this in the wig and it's going to be just fine. So now I'm going in with my 3D Contour Artist palette. It's just a cream contour palette that I use for my cap. I use the shade that's closest to my skin tone and I just blend it in really good and get the band. And so now I'm just going to sit the wig on and map out where everything needs to be. So now I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. You basically just take your finger or comb and go exactly around your ear and just cut out the hair that's covering your ear, okay? I like to kind of go in a diagonal at first because I like to have sideburn hair when I do my baby hairs. So I just kind of go up at an angle and then I start going around my ear. Okay, so here comes the lazy girl part. This is when I just take the Got To Be and I spray it right on top of the hairline. And then I lift like the ear tabs and I put a little bit there and I tie it down. And it works the same way as if you had the wig off your head and you sprayed your forehead and then you sat it on there and all that different stuff, okay? This is my quick and easy way of doing it, especially when the lace is still attached. Okay, so now it's time to cut off the lace, and I'm just gonna make 3 slits around my forehead, right on each side of like where my eyebrows are. Okay, I know some of y'all already know this, but for my true beginners, I still have to say it, okay? And then I'm just gonna take a eyebrow razor and get as close to the hairline as possible. You will see that there's like a little cast or maybe even a little lifting here and there. We're gonna go back over that with the Got2b. Spray it again real good. Make sure it's saturated and it kind of turns back transparent. And then we're gonna tie it down again and give it a quick blow dry. Now, as you can see, that looks a lot better than before, but there's still a little bit of work to be done. So I'm gonna go back in with that same contour palette I used for my cap, and I'm just gonna pat that around my hairline to further blend my skin with the lace and just have everything meshed together nicely. So now it's time to customize the front, get it looking natural and cute. So this part was in a more of a straight line. I like a little curve to my part. It gives it a little personality. It makes it look a little bit more natural to me. So that's what I did. So now I'm just kind of hot combing the hairs back the way they need to go. And then I'm gonna start getting into styling my baby hairs. So now I'm just kind of perfecting my part, but I really want to tell you guys I'm loving the Fructis flat iron perfector. I use this on real hair when I straighten it with like the flat iron, but I've also really been loving it with the hot comb. Like, I'm not really big on wax sticks and heavy products, so I really like this. It's lightweight and it just really does it good and has like a hole to it. So it's not hard or crunchy or anything like that or greasy. It's just doing what it needs to do. I've been using it for years and never really thought about using it with a hot comb. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you want to try it, the link will be down below. So while I'm finishing up this install, I really just want to tell you my final thoughts on the hair. The hair is really great quality. It holds a beautiful curl. As you can see, this is kind of where we're sitting at after messing with the hair, reparting the hair. It still has a curl to it and some bounce. I do put some curls on the right side over here, but I pretty much just didn't do much because if the wig is pre-styled, you don't want to do too much, but you might have to pop a curl or two back into it. But other than that, the lace is beautiful. I did not bleach the knots, as you know, and it looks really good and natural. I did forget to put like concealer in my part, but I think it still looks amazing. This wig is really affordable and beginner friendly. I think this wig comes in at like $129, which is very beginner friendly budget in my opinion, because I don't think you should spend a lot of money if you're still on your first couple of wigs and you're still trying to figure it out. I think this is a really cute everyday style. And like I've said before, this is actually one of my favorite lengths in the winter time when I have on like coats and jackets. Sometimes just having a long hair on, it just becomes too much, child. So I think it just looks really cute and rich when you have on a nice pretty coat and you got your little hair fixed up just like this. Look at that. Look at that, baby. This is sugar approved. Until next time, sweeties, stay sweet.